Falling in love is one of the most powerful experiences a human can go through, and yet most people don't realize that the chaos, excitement, fear, and warmth they feel is actually happening because of a chemical and electrical storm inside their brain. Love isn't just an emotion, it's a full-body biological event that changes your decision-making, your behavior, your hormones, and even the way you see the world. It begins the moment someone catches your attention. Maybe it's the way they speak, the way they look at you, or a feeling you can't explain. Before you even say a word, your brain begins processing their face faster than almost anything else. Humans are built to recognize potential partners instantly. Your pupils widen, your senses sharpen, and your attention locks on them more than the environment around you. Then the brain releases dopamine, the molecule responsible for pleasure, motivation, and reward. Dopamine is the spark that makes someone suddenly feel more interesting, more exciting, more magnetic. It's the reason your heart beats faster and you feel a sudden burst of energy. It's why your brain keeps nudging you to look again, think about them more, or find a way to talk to them. Dopamine makes you curious, hopeful, and bold. If the connection continues, dopamine rises even higher. This is why people in early love act differently. You daydream more, you smile randomly, you replay conversations in your mind. The logic part of your brain becomes quieter, while the emotional part becomes louder. Scientists have even found that the brain scans of people newly in love look similar to the brain scans of people addicted to certain substances because both involve intense dopamine activity. At the same time, adrenaline enters the picture. This is why your stomach flips when you see them, why your palms sweat, why your voice might shake. Your body is reacting as if something big and important is happening. Adrenaline boosts alertness, increases heart rate, and heightens your senses. What you feel as butterflies is really your body shifting into a mode of heightened awareness, preparing you for a meaningful interaction. As weeks go by, another surprising shift happens. Serotonin drops. Serotonin influences mood and rational thinking. When serotonin decreases, your brain becomes more obsessive. This explains why you can't stop thinking about the person, why tiny things they say replay in your mind, and why you may become more emotionally sensitive or insecure. It's not that you're acting strange, your brain chemistry has temporarily changed. This combination of high dopamine, high adrenaline, and low serotonin creates the perfect storm for the crazy in love feeling. You feel energized, anxious, excited, hopeful, and overwhelmed all at once. Your sleep changes, your appetite shifts, and your thoughts start orbiting around the same person. Love affects everything. But if the relationship deepens, a calmer stage eventually appears. When trust builds, your brain begins releasing oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Oxytocin creates warmth, comfort, and a desire to connect. It deepens emotional intimacy, increases empathy, and strengthens trust. When two people spend time together, hug, hold hands, or simply feel emotionally safe, the brain releases even more oxytocin, strengthening the bond. Another chemical called vasopressin also increases, which is linked to commitment, loyalty, and long-term partnership. These chemicals are why long-term love feels different from early love. Instead of chaos and excitement, it becomes peace, stability, and emotional safety. Your heartbeat calms. Your mind becomes clearer. Your anxiety fades. You no longer rely on fantasy, you rely on connection. Falling in love also changes memory, decision-making, and motivation. Your brain literally reprioritizes what matters. It puts connection at the top. It encourages bonding, cooperation, and long-term thinking. In fact, love activates more than a dozen different brain regions simultaneously, creating one of the most complex emotional states humans experience. But love isn't only emotional, it's biological survival. Humans evolved to bond deeply so they can build families, communities, and meaningful partnerships. Love increases lifespan, lowers stress, and boosts overall well-being. Even though it feels unpredictable and overwhelming, your brain knows exactly what it's doing. From the moment someone catches your eye, to the days you can't stop thinking about them, to the months where closeness grows into something deeper, love is not magic, it is a masterpiece of biology. And yet navigating these emotions takes clarity, calmness, and good daily energy. The brain works harder during emotional periods than most people realize. That's why supporting your focus, your energy levels, and your ability to stay grounded makes a huge difference in how you experience love. If you've ever been in love, you know how intense it can feel. Your mind races, your energy spikes, your heart jumps, and your thoughts get scattered. And during times like this, taking care of your body and mind becomes incredibly important. This is where Matcha Slim truly shines. Matcha Slim is made from premium green tea leaves rich in natural antioxidants. It delivers gentle, clean energy without the jitters or crashes that come with coffee. One of its key ingredients, L-theanine, works together with natural caffeine to support calm, focused energy. That means clearer thoughts, smoother concentration, and a more balanced mood, exactly what you need when life or emotions feel overwhelming. The antioxidants in Matcha Slim help support overall wellness and reduce the impact of daily stress on your body. Whether you're navigating new feelings, trying to stay productive, or simply wanting steady energy throughout your day, Matcha Slim helps you feel more stable, centered, and refreshed. So if you're looking for something natural that supports mental clarity, calmness, and clean daily energy, Matcha Slim is an incredible choice. If you want to buy, link in the description.